What's happening, people? Welcome to Packing for Places and welcome to another vlog. Now, we've been 4 weeks volunteering in South Africa. Check it out up here if you haven't seen it. And now we are in Cape Town, and today we are going to Robben Island, where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned. I don't know nothing about it, but I will tell you some facts on the way. Hope you enjoy this vlog. While we're here, might as well show you our little apartment we've got in Cape Town, which is a cool little place. It's a little bit small, but perfect for what me and Georgia need. I'll give you a little tour. Well, say a little tour, it's only one room. There's our kitchen, we've got a little seating area, little table is where I sort my vlogs out. Our bed comes with a lovely Georgia. TV, my little NFT desk over there. And a bathroom. So, cool little place. We're here for 2 weeks and then we're on a road trip for 2 weeks. So, just about to get ready for our Robben Island tour. And had an email saying that your Robben Island Museum tour has been cancelled due to poor weather or sea conditions.
It's like 23 today and sunny.
23 degrees and it's sunny. So, they obviously just haven't got enough people to go on or something. So that has ruined our plans. We were ready to rock. So I think we're going to do Table Mountain.
Yeah, get the cable car up Table Mountain.
We're going to get the cable car up Table Mountain. So change your plans, but we've tried booking the cable car and it says it's closed due to gale force winds. It's what we're ready to go.
What are we actually going to do today?
So, after a lot of back and forth and the jam being taken right out of our donuts, well, George's donut anyway, we've decided to get out. We are going to go to the Diamond Museum, which we've just looked up, looks pretty cool. We're going to go to the Farmers Market, which also looks pretty cool. And where are we off to now?
It's called Bo-Kaap. It's like the famous road with all the colourful houses.
Yes, there's loads of colourful houses on it, really famous. So we're just about to walk there. So we don't understand how everything's been cancelled because the sun is beaming, isn't it?
Yeah, it's well enough today.
So we don't know why, but we're getting out anyway and we're exploring Cape Town. So we just arrived up here and wow, it's well nice. There's quite a lot of tourists up here and people begging and wanting money, which is a shame, but I think they should do these sort of houses everywhere, like proper brightens up the street, and on a nice day they just gleam. Like, I think they're proper cool. George just given me some information. Are you going to come and share the information with us?
So this little area is the oldest surviving residential little town in Cape Town, and some of the buildings are pre-1850, so it's quite like a historical little place. But yeah, unfortunately there's like people begging.
There's people begging, but there's people begging everywhere.
That's Cape Town for you. But it's really pretty, but yeah, don't hang around. Just no. Come have a look and go.
And get out of it. We're going to have a little stroll to the waterfront and we're going to go to the Diamond Museum, which apparently, see in South Africa, diamonds are high up there and one of their trades that they do, so should be good. I'm looking forward to it anyway. Georgia's hoping for a diamond ring.
Maybe.
You got a diamond ring? Oh, she hasn't even got a wedding ring on, so you ain't getting no diamonds. Just walked past some proper cool street art as well. Old Elon Musk. It's proper good, that. So we just got to the Diamond Museum and they nearly turned us away and said we couldn't get in. That would have been an ultimate fail for today. So luckily she said, oh, we will get you in. So we get a little private tour and it don't cost us anything. So got to be worth a look in it. couldn't really film. I could film bits of it, but he was speaking, so I didn't want to start like talking over him and stuff. But it's really interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, and we got me a new ring.
Oh, got an amazing ring. We spent £50,000 on a ring. No, I don't know. Well, the cheapest thing I could find was tiny. It was about 400 quid. So no, we didn't buy anything, but amazing, absolutely amazing, and
Really
how they cut the diamonds and stuff like that. The bloke was really interesting. So, and we got him for free. So a little tour for nothing. So no, really good. Really enjoyed it. So my new haircut's very hay whiff. Yeah.
Hey, whip.
Yeah, very hay whiff. Keeps blowing in the wind. Found ourselves a nice little seat. Come and have a little bit of lunch. We're doing really good with getting packed lunches, so just trying to save a bit of money. Nearly halfway through our travelling around the world now, so no, I know the money's tight, but trying to be a bit sensible. And Cape Town eating out isn't cheap, so trying to have like 1 meal out a day, and the rest we try and have at home and make packed lunches. But no, found a lovely seat with a beautiful view of Table Mountain, the mountain that we couldn't get up because it was too windy today.
Isn't it the seventh wonder of the world, Table Mountain?
Georgia thinks Table Mountain is the seventh wonder of the world.
Yeah, I think it is.
But every time we go something, it's always one of the wonders of the world.
No, but I think Table Mountain is the seventh wonder of the world.
Don't quote us on that, but we think Table Mountain might be the seventh wonder of the world. Where are we going to next?
We're going to go up to the farmer's market, as my mum would say, for a coffee and a cake.
We're going to the farmer's market, as George's mum would say, for a bit of coffee and cake. As we were walking down to the farmer's market, didn't actually realise how beautiful this waterfront was.
We've only ever been from there.
Yeah, we've only actually been to the mole down here. We've never actually walked like behind where the harbour and that is, but it's beautiful. There's just loads of like cool places to eat and cool shops, and well, even a massive chessboard. Look at that. But it's just nice to have a walk around, and it's nice to see somewhere really busy again.
That's cute.
Obviously, especially in Southeast Asia where we was, it just wasn't really that busy, but here it just seems like it's pumping again. I think I can hear a little band. Go and have a little dance. No, no dancing, please. So we got in the food market, and even this has got vibes in it. Oh, it's pumping in it. Bit gutted we've eaten, but we definitely get a milkshake or a bit of cake, or even a coffee. Literally, that's one of the best ideas I've ever seen. Like, whenever you're trying to chop stuff really fine, you cut yourself. So simple, but such a good idea. And George's Mama Cook, will absolutely love it. My mum don't do enough cooking, so she can't get one, but Mama Cook, that one's for you. So we got ourselves a bit of cake and a coffee. I went for a nice cinnamon bun. What did you go for, babe?
I was looking for a red cappuccino, but did he say it was like a tea?
Yeah, red cappuccino. It's like a tea. I don't know. We'll tell you what it tastes like. No? Oh. She doesn't know what it's like. But no, really, really cool place. I just saw this like oyster place, so they do like oyster and wine. Would be really cool to come. So we always do this. I'm sure we've done this in Dubai. It's a beautiful food market, massive loads of places, and we ate before we got here. Yeah, no, I saw that up there.
Milkshakes, waffles and crabs.
What have you seen?
Oh wow, milkshakes, waffles and crabs.
We're definitely going to come back because we've got to get some of this food. This food tastes like
I
so
wanted
nice.
some of the dumplings.
We've got to come back here on an empty stomach, but really, really cool place. But today we have come to Hout Bay. It was about a 40-minute drive from the centre of Cape Town, but the drive was absolutely stunning. Going all the way around the coast, seeing all the houses up on the rocks and stuff. It was so, so good. So we've actually just looked at the map and we got dropped off a bit further than we wanted to. But it's a beautiful day. we're going to walk all the way around the harbour and where all the boats are and stuff. And then there seems like there's a nice like seafood place that we can get some food. And then we're going to carry on walk all the way around the beach. So it's going to be a bit of walking, but we've been stuck indoors for the last couple of days. Just really planning and booking stuff for the next 2-3 months, because obviously we've been in the bush for 4 weeks nearly, and there wasn't any time or any internet to book anything. So we've had a couple of days catching up, but today we're getting out, weather's beautiful, and going to see what this place is about. Oh my god, I'm soaked. My trainers are absolutely drenched.
It's not really big.
Can't believe that. God's sake. Georgia made us a little packed lunch so we can sit on the beach. What am I going to do now? I've got a whole day when my feet are soaked. This stuff basically looks like an alien. What the hell is it? Obviously some sea plant, but... So we've come across a little section where the sea basically comes around and comes here and then makes sort of like a little divide between where we need to go. So obviously I've still got my shoes on that are soaking wet. But Georgia's going to go and test the water. Well, but how am I going to get across? Well, that ain't helpful, is it? How am I making it? My feet are fucking drenched. Look at it, they're even more soaked. Ain't going to warm my feet up though, is it? Just going to be squelching my way in the calf. So we stopped at a nice little place at the seafront, just to get a nice coffee. Just trying to dry my socks out. So they're absolutely soaked. See if I can dry my shoes out. Schoolboy error by me. All George has been doing is laughing at me.
You should listen to
I should listen to her, yeah. She said wear flip-flops, but...
I said flip-flops and a winterproof jacket.
Yeah, she was right for once. Don't often happen, but she was right. Good.
Morning.
I tripped over.
Oh. What's new?
God, I always trip over. Like, morning guys. So this morning we got up quite early for us. We slept in yesterday after our wine tour. Georgia felt a little bit rough. And today we're going up to Table Mountain. The sun is absolutely beaming. It's such a nice day. 26 degrees, so it just looks so clear. You're going to get such a good view up there. So yeah, we're going to somewhere called Swan Calf. Georgia's pick, so it could be good or bad. We're not too sure.
Road.
It is a nice road, yeah. So we're going to go something to eat, and then we're going to head up to Table Mountain.
We're getting the cable car, we're not hiking.
Yeah, we're not hiking. Georgia wouldn't let us hike. Seems very French, babe.
Yeah, it does look fun. But nice. Do you know what a galette is?
No, I haven't got a clue.
It's like a flatbread or a pancake, and then all these ones, like that's what they put in the middle, and then they like fold it in.
Nice. No, it's a little bit French, but I'm just going to get the standard scrambled eggs, a bit of bacon. Can't go wrong.
Are you getting the brunch your way?
Yeah, brunch my way. So I went for the bacon with the eggs, but Georgia, yours, she's got like ham, cheese, and is that like a bread?
Yeah, Yeah, it's like a French pancake.
That looks good.
Ham and cheese.
So that place was pretty nice. Swan-Kaap, Cape Town, definitely worth coming to. I obviously ordered too much and couldn't eat it all. It's only because I had breakfast this morning as well as that. Just waiting for a taxi. It's actually pretty busy at weekends trying to get an Uber, but we managed to get one about 5 minutes away. Just left my phone in the taxi. It's because I'm more interested in filming, that's the problem. Oh, that's got everything on. My life is on that phone.